Hey, it's Bortone and welcome back to Lou's Reviews. Today I have a really cool tool, not specifically a video tool, but really helpful and free. You may have heard about this because I've talked about it before. It's called Remove Image Background at remove.bg. And the cool thing about this is you can put any photo or URL into remove.bg and it will take out the background. So any photo that you want to remove the background completely or replace the background, you can do that with this tool. And I use it to create graphics and videos and things like that. And again, I can just go to my computer, I can put in an image. Let's put in this image of Gloria Petrucci that I was using for a video. It takes the video right there and takes out the background, and then you just download the picture without the background. You can do this with any image or any URL. So let me see if I have another one here. So again, I can bring any image in here and just click the button, and bada bing, bada boom, we've got our image, which we can then download. So it took out everything, all the background, all the text. The really cool thing here is you can also edit the image once you've got it isolated. So that means you can add a different background or color. So if I just wanted to change the background to a color or to a photo, you can upload a photo, or you can use one of these. You don't put me in the Arctic, I don't like it there. Now I'm in an alley, and now I'm somewhere else. I'm floating, suspended in midair. So it's pretty cool. I mean, you can put virtually any background behind you that you want, or just isolate the photo altogether so that you can use it somewhere else in a video or whatever. So pretty interesting, really cool way to not just isolate the photo and remove the background, but also change the background completely. So, and there's other things you can do here as well with sizing it up and stuff like that. And also, if you missed a piece, like, you can erase parts of it. Oh my God, I'm disappearing. So you get the idea. That's pretty cool. Remove a background, remove.bg. It's free and it's really useful. So check it out, and we'll be back next week with another Lou's Reviews. Bye for now.